What can I tell about kayak? It's very stable, very comfortable, very convenient, in my opinion. Using pedal drive, my average speed is approximately 7 kilometers per hour. My first impression that kayak is very stable. It has 3 fishing rod holders, plenty space in back and front, very easily to remove pedal drive, very comfortable. Seat looks very comfortable and it's easy to adjust it. We have this water sealed compartment for your stuff. It's very convenient for you to keep your stuff dry. Perch. Nice. We changed the spot with a lot of perches and decided to switch from a heavy equipment to this ultralight. So we just catch a beautiful perch. Let's quickly release it. Nice perch. Let's release it. Oh. Okay, it's time for us to have a lunch break. We will go to a shore. We see this quite good spot. Let's take pedal system. So easy. Now I'm using my pedal. Go to the shore. So we came to this beautiful spot. Found a place to sit. We'll take our oven out and start cooking. Today's plan is to make for ourselves a cup of coffee and a tortilla and pizza with a very simple recipe. To this size I always adding 2 eggs, it's enough. Okay, we are ready to make ourselves coffee. Very good. So let's prepare some basilic, small tomatoes, Of course we need cheese, some ham and pepperoni. Cheers. Let's check again. Egg still soft, we need to wait a bit. But I think we can start preparing our tomatoes. So we can add those already. Okay. How without pepperoni? We don't need much. It's enough. Let's roll it. Okay, I think we are ready to put some cheese. A bit on the corners. Let's look. Okay, I see. Cheese is already melted. So let's apply a couple. So tasty, especially in nature when you are alone. I would say a perfect lunch break. Fish on. Okay. Don't be afraid, we will release you. Yeah, first white fish. Red. Nice. I thought so that it will be a very perspective place. Okay, it's time to end our fishing trip. Let's dig. I like this pedal drive. It's very easy to remove when you are in shallow waters and you need to go to the shore. I'm happy with my new purchase. I will make a more detailed video later, and now thanks for watching and see you next time.